Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show the Kingbull Literider Folding e-bike. I'm going to unbox it, assemble it, and then take it for a ride.
Tools. The manual has some really good pictures. These are real photographs of this exact model e-bike. A lot of times it's just a picture of a bike that kind of resembles what you got, but it's not quite like it. So this is nice. That's a big boy. Pedals. That's a neat looking headlight. It's pretty big. This must be the charger. That's everything in the little box. Now let's get started on the big box. Now everything's gonna look more yellow because of these lights. First, I'm gonna remove this because it gets replaced with this. I'm just gonna remove one end to make life easier. And also because the manual said it, I'm gonna remove the battery to make the bike lighter. So first, the instructions want me to install the handlebars. So there's this doodad right here. But before lifting it up, you gotta put the handlebars in. Insert that into here. And there's only one way to do it. There's a little bump here. There's a bump on the inside here. So there's really no way to mess this up. And now, I can lift up the handlebars. All these little parts came loose in the box for me. Things happen in shipping and it must have come off of here. This is for the handlebars. I'm gonna guess how this is supposed to go. I don't know yet where I want my handlebars, but if I have this assembled correctly and tightened correctly, it should hold them in place. Okay. Now I'm gonna install the fender. So there's a little screw here that I gotta remove. And then the fender goes in like this. But while I'm installing the fender, I'm also gonna install the headlight. And I don't have the tool for this. I normally try to assemble these bikes with the tools included, but I'm gonna have to whip out some tools of my own. That is weird, because normally that wrench is included. Maybe I just didn't get one, maybe they forgot. But no, I did get all of these tools, which means you're gonna have to use your own tools for the headlight and fender. Let's take a moment to appreciate a size 11 women's foot, 10.5, 11, and now we can move on to this. So these have to be installed, right? Doesn't have to be, fenders are optional, but I always stick them on there. Tighten. Now I can install the front wheel. Before I attempt to put the wheel on, I gotta put the hub axle in first. Hopefully I got the order of these correct. It's gotta be because it's the same on the other side, which I haven't touched. This would be a lot easier with the bike upside down, but I can barely lift these, so I'm not gonna try that. Or with another person. My method. For those of you that are trying to assemble this bike, and realize the instructions doesn't really show this part. Here you go. This is the order that these pieces go in. Now for probably the most important part, although double check everything, even the stuff that was pre-assembled, make sure everything's in place and nothing's loose. Now I'm gonna tighten down this front wheel. It's gotta be real tight. Oh yeah, I should probably connect the light. I'm gonna remove the sticker. It's just telling me which direction to spin the pedal in. One is clockwise, the other one is counterclockwise. Lastly, the seat. I guess not really lastly, because I still gotta put air in the tires and then charge up the bike. Make sure this is like really tight. Oh yeah, I guess I can put the battery back in now. Normally when I'm filming one-handed, I don't have an issue, but this thing is a beast. It's really got some pick up and go. Or even on pedal assist 1, it wants to go real fast. This is pedal assist 0, as in no pedal assist, no motor. It's just me pedaling. I'm going about 9 miles an hour. This is pedal assist 1. I'm going about 12 miles an hour, pedal assist 2. Now I'm cruising at just over 16 miles an hour, pedal assist 3. I don't even think there's a point to pedaling here. It feels like I'm really doing nothing. I'm going just over 20 miles an hour. Pedal assist 1, throttle only. I'm going slightly downhill, but it's about 11 miles an hour, 12 miles an hour. Pedal assist 2.
I didn't realize you couldn't see the screen as I was filming this.
About 16.4 miles an hour. Pedal assist 3.
However, in real life, I could see the screen.
Just over 20.8 miles an hour.
Oh good, now you can kind of see the screen. Pedal assist 4.
25.6 miles an hour. And pedal assist 5.
Oh boy, it's really got some pick up and go. I'm struggling to film this one-handed, and I did talk to Jay Hayes. You guys, a lot of you probably remember him from the vape review days. Well, he does e-bike reviews too now, which are a lot better than mine. So I asked him what equipment he uses. I'm gonna have to save up and get that and mount something to the bike so that this can be a lot easier. Pedal assist 5, full throttle, full motor. I don't even know if this is an e-bike anymore because I got it to about 31 miles an hour. As soon as that pedal assist kicks in, this thing goes forward. It yanks forward. It's a lot more powerful than what I'm normally used to.
The best hill in my area, there it is. I normally have some pedal assist 1 to show you the power that these e-bikes have. With this one, I'm gonna put it on 5. And I am going to cruise up that hill so fast. Not gonna use the throttle, no throttle, just pedaling. I'm just gonna pedal up this hill and watch from a standstill position how fast this will be.
Miles an hour up a hill that I normally would have to stand on the bike and pedal as hard as I can without the pedal assist, and it zoomed up there real quick.
Oh yeah, because the screen's not actually doing that. That's just my camera. It's very steady in real life.
As I was cruising down this wooden boardwalk thingy, I was like, hey, I should go talk to the locals again and get some feedback. Last time they were extremely receptive, so I was like, let's give it a shot. But as I turned the corner, no one was there. Bummer. It has pedal assist, 5 different levels, and throttle. So with throttle, it's full electric mode. You don't need to pedal, you just half twist the throttle and you can sit there and do nothing. I love fat tires. This has fat tires, 20-inch by 4-inch CST all-terrain tires. It's got a Shimano 7-speed gear shift system, which is pretty standard on these bikes. You don't really need, it's an e-bike. You really don't even need to play around with this, but you can. The seat is fairly comfortable. It's big. Now, if you're just pedaling the bike, just using it as a regular bike, the seat may or may not work for you. It really depends. I prefer them narrower for that purpose, but on an e-bike, this is fine. It's adjustable. You got 18 inches to play with, so the bike will accommodate riders 5'1" to 6'5". I love the headlight. I think it looks pretty cool. It's big. The only thing, I gotta complain about one thing. The way to turn it on. I would have preferred a separate headlight button for it, but the way it's set up, you have to hold down the plus button for 3 seconds. It really should have its own button, in my opinion. Ooh, I forgot to do a brake test. I did use the brakes, they do work. These are hydraulic disc brakes. The foldable design is neat. That way it fits into most cars, into the trunk, or even the back seat. It's still kind of bulky in my opinion, but that's kind of how it is with fat tires.
My allergies, like my nose, you probably can't see it in my eyes. My eyes rarely turn red from allergies, but they burn. My skin burns. My lips are tingling and they're getting numb. It's the ragweed or oak pollen or both. I didn't bring a tissue. Time to head home. I got a bug in my eye. Oh, is it still there? Wait, it's still there. What is that? Is that makeup or a bug? I can't tell. I really squished it, but I think it's a bug. I don't know why I'm wearing makeup on a bike ride. So it's got a 750, whoa. I really need to hold on to this with 2 hands. 750 watt motor, so 1300 watt peak. I'm going to fall. It can carry up to 400 pounds of weight. And boy, it's really got some pick up and go. And max speed is 28 miles an hour. But not really, because I got to go faster. Oh yeah, one more thing. Max range, up to 50 miles, but it really depends how you use it. And I believe them that it's up to 50 miles, because look at this. I did 12 miles, and I can assure you, I used the crap out of the motor. It may say pedal assist 0 right now, but I was mostly doing 2 to 5, and look at the energy bar. It hasn't gone down at all.
If you're interested in the Kingbull Folding electric bike light rider, I'll have a link down below in the video's description. And if I have any coupon codes, those will be down below there as well. So this normally retails for $1,699. Currently it's $999. Alrighty then, so that's it. I hope to see you in the next one. Please subscribe if you haven't. Now, they're not all gonna be e-bike videos, but a lot of them will be. But I promise you there'll be other videos as well. And yeah, I gotta do my cheesy outro. Toodaloo-doo-lee-loo.